Everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with this space bun swoop bang little hairstyle, so let's jump into it. Alright, so here is my hair, how I'm starting out. It's stretched already, but I'm just going to mist it with a little bit of water just so that it's a little easier to work with and part and all that good stuff. So I'm going to start by sectioning off the area for my swoop. So I'm just going on the side where I want my part, and I'm kind of doing like a curved part, as you guys can see. And I'm just going to straighten that out first. And then just bring it around to the other side. Now this side doesn't have to be perfect as far as the parting goes because it's gonna be laid over. But yeah, I'm just going to put that in a twist and section it out of the way. And then I'm going to divide my hair down the middle into two sections. So just two halves. I went off camera to get it straight because I needed another mirror. But yeah, just parting it straight down the middle. And then I'm going to section the side where my swoop is going to be at out of the way. And I'm going to work on my non-swooped side first, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just spraying it with some more water, put some oil, and just making sure that it is fully detangled before I start slicking it back. And now I'm just taking some Eco Styler gel and I'm just gonna brush it back into a ponytail, similar to how I do like my slow buns or my high buns. Just taking some Eco Styler gel and slicking it back. I like to use a mixture of a detangler brush as well as a hard bristle brush. The detangler brush does what it says. It's just making sure that there aren't any lumps or tangles underneath all of that. And then the hard brush just makes sure that it's kind of smoothed down how I like it. And so once I get everything smooth, I'm just going to take a ponytail holder and put my hair in a bun. And I opted for the lower buns instead of doing buns at the top of my head. I mean, overall, this is like a fun, quote unquote, hairstyle. But I feel like the low buns just make it look a little less childish. But yeah, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to smooth that other half into a ponytail like I did the first half. And again, this is just a fun hairstyle. Since I'm quarantined in the house, I decided to give my wigs a break. I'm honestly kind of bored with them and tired of them. So I just wanted to try some new hairstyles with my natural hair. So if you have any natural hair styles that you'd like me to try, definitely let me know. Yeah. And so now we're moving on to the swoop portion, and I'm going to basically do the same thing. Spray it with water, oil, make sure that it's detangled. Then I'm going to go in section by section instead of gelling it all at one time. So I'm going to start right there. I'm going to add some gel and I'm going to brush it back. And so I'm just going to work in small sections to make sure that my swoop is flat and slick. So if you have thicker hair and you want any type of sleek ponytail, any type of swoop, you're gonna have to go in section by section to make sure that you get it all flat. So yeah, I just do rough parting with my fingers, add some gel at the roots of my hair, and then I just brush it back. I'm using a Denman brush right here too because it really gets it detangled and smoothed out. And then once I have all of that flat, I'm going to take my hard brush and I'm just going to start molding my swoop. So I brush it kind of forward and then I just bring it around, and then I'm going to add it to that ponytail on, or that bun on that side. And then I'm going to go in with some even edge control and just slick my edges down and, you know, smooth those and do my baby hair how I like them. And if you want, you can stop here. If your hair is long enough, you can definitely just wear the buns with your natural hair. However, I have bald head syndrome, and I always think my hair is shorter than what it is. But looking at this video, it's like I could have definitely worn my natural hair. But I'm going to go in with some clip-ins. These are Afro curly clip-ins from the Amazing Beauty Hair Beauty, something like that. I did a full video review on these clip-ins about a month ago, so I'll link that video down below and at the end of this video. But I'm just taking a 2-clip clip-in and I clip it at the base of my bun, and then I'm just going to wrap that hair around. And you definitely have to play with it to get the shape that you want. I definitely redid these a couple of times, but once I get it into the shape that I like, I'm just going to take some bobby pins and, you know, secure it to make sure that the buns stay put. Then to add a little detailing, I'm going to gently pull out a couple of strands from the bun, and I'm going to take some gel just to kind of define them a little bit. And I took about 2 strands per puff, so I'm just gently pulling out some hair and then taking my Eco Styler gel and running it through it to define the curl. And then I'm going to take some scissors and just trim it. So yeah, kind of messy, just a little, I don't know, a little razzle dazzle. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the bun, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And then lastly, I'm just going to take my scarf and tie it down for like 15 minutes just to make sure that everything is holding. And that is it, you guys. Let me know how you like this hairstyle. This is definitely different for me, but I think it came out cute. It's fun. I'll probably do it again like on a weekend hairstyle and whatnot. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Toodles.